Happy weekend, you guys. Welcome to Holly Scoop's Moments of the Week. I'm Madison Hill.
And I'm Courtney Revolution.
Yes, you are. There was a lot of craziness that went down this week, you guys. Like Tristan Thompson finally getting some cojones and speaking out, and Kourtney Kardashian feeling insecure about Kylie and Sofia Richie getting close. Plus, there's some other stories that we didn't even get a chance to talk about.
We ran out of time.
But we're going to talk about them a little later. First, let's talk about what went down between Selena Gomez and her bestie, Francia Raisa, this week, because I know a lot of you were concerned.
They were
And a lot of you
very
were
concerned.
upset. So this all started with a report from Radar Online that said Selena and Francia hadn't spoken since October, okay? That shook people up.
They were upset.
Then we got a little more info because a source came forward and said that they did have a fight over Selena's, quote, unhealthy choices. The source said that Selena allegedly said she wasn't going to drink, she was going to live her healthiest, best life. And, you know, Francia had to call her out a little bit because we know Selena did have a few cocktails here and there. She talked about it in Elle magazine. But it came from a place of caring and loving her. And Francia reportedly just said that she was concerned for her well-being. You know what I'm saying? But also, I want to point out
Hold on.
these unhealthy choices around this time. You guys remember, after Selena had her kidney transplant, this is when her and Justin also reconnected.
True.
He reached out to her to check on her. So I feel like, well, yes, the drinking was probably the biggest point of contention because, hello, they're sharing organs. I think there was a lot of, I don't know, more problems than just the drinking.
I am hoping that
lot of
Francia
unhealthy
was
choices.
exclusively upset about Justin and nothing else. Because if Selena Gomez wants to have a glass of wine, Selena Gomez will have a glass of wine.
Right. The Justin thing is pure my speculation, not confirmation. I just think it's interesting that around the time they had this argument about the drinking is also when she was back with Justin at this time.
I'm like, unless Selena Gomez is blacking out and falling down the stairs, Francia, girl, I get it. You're concerned, surgery, organs. Selena's gonna do what Selena's gonna do.
Exactly.
You get
And
what
while
I'm
they did probably have this fight, we think they're fine. They're not on the outs. We know Francia celebrated a birthday recently. Selena was reportedly there. Also, Francia posted she was drinking on her Instagram. She's wearing a cross swimsuit, which is Teresa Mingus' line.
Look at the piece.
I think everything's fine, but it's okay that they still had a fight at one point. Friends who have been friends forever are going to have spats, and it's going to be okay. It's all good.
If two friends don't fight at some point, one of them is hiding something.
That's true, and that's
honestly.
But that's never good grounds for a good friendship. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about my favorite story from the week. Of course, Tristan Thompson and those tweets.
The garbage guy.
Came out of left field. So you guys know we talked a little bit about a rumor going around that him and Jordan Craig had reconciled. This is after they both posted pictures on Instagram where they appeared to be on the same vacation. So when he went on his Twitter rant, that was the first thing he talked about. He said, I have spent the last few months training for my upcoming NBA season and making sure that I am in the best shape possible. I have not been on vacations at all this summer, and current rumors spreading are false. We printed them out because I just think it's more fun.
I love a good receipt.
And I'm just like, okay, so that's, you're saying that's not true, but we all remember what he said after the Jordan Woods situation.
You're like a principal. You said you didn't cheat. However,
I said, Tristan Thompson, the evidence says differently. Okay, then he also defended Khloe, which this is the one that got a lot of people riled up because all the people who say you get a man or you lose a man how you get a man can't really say that anymore. He said, also, when I met Khloe, I was single. The negative comments that are constantly being directed towards her are unnecessary. She does not deserve all this backlash for my wrongdoings. Both Khloe and Jordan have been nothing but great mothers to my kids.
Okay, my comment is this, right? You can go on your little Twitter rant, make threads, etc. Where was the statement when you kicked Little Miss Jordan Woods in front of the Greyhound bus and let her take the fall for you kissing her? Where's the, she was looking good?
Right.
You put out fake news.
1,000%. I feel like he has let Jordan Woods take the fall for all of this mess, and he was trying to appear like a knight in shining armor with these tweets by saying, no, Jordan and I are not back together, which thank God we were hoping that did not
That would have been some hot garbage juice, Madison.
We would have been really upset. And then he's like, you know what, also I'm going to defend Khloe and back up her narrative. But still, you need to say something about Jordan. It's just smelly. It's fishy. Something's coming. I feel like these are just the start of something. And more drama is going to happen, and we're going to have to talk about it.
And Chris is
so
waiting.
Get ready. Get the hefties ready. Poke out the armholes, because this is not over. Okay, let's talk about Kourtney and how she feels about Kylie and Sophia. So we know that Kylie and Sophia have slowly started to get closer. This is, you know, after Jordyn Woods left the circle and Kourtney and Sophia and Scott all kind of became okay with each other. At first, we heard Kourtney was all right with it, you know, because Kylie gave her that respect and said, I'm going to wait till you're cool and then I'll start hanging out with Sophia. But now she's starting to not feel so great about them getting closer and closer and closer.
I'm shocked.
A source of Life and Style magazine that Kourtney feels like there should be, quote, healthier boundaries with Sophia. So I think she wants her to be close to the family, but not too close.
What does that even mean?
Well, the source chalked Kourtney's recent concern to her feeling, quote, a little insecure because her kids love Sophia, and now Kylie and Sophia are super tight.
Okay, so this is...
I think she feels like she's going to get replaced.
So the story is, once again, Kourtney's insecure. Yes. Well, Kourtney, maybe if you didn't sit in the corner with the stank face on and come out with a blog named after What is a Poosh? And why hasn't she just moved? Just leave.
Remember what she talked about in that in the clip after the wildfire? She's like, we can move to Italy.
Go to Nova Scotia. Go to Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia, that's a new one.
She'll be fine. You get what I'm saying? I just feel like, why are you so insecure? You're Kourtney Kardashian.
I also feel like Sophia and Kylie were friends before all of this happened, you know what I mean? Before Sophia started dating Scott, they were actually really close because they grew up in similar upbringings and they're at the same age. And so I feel like Kylie was respectful in the fact that when the whole Scott situation happened, she's like, you know what, I'm gonna separate myself. And now she's trying to kind of find herself in these new adult friendships. And Kourtney is now gonna cause issues about it.
You know what? Who also needs to move away? Kylie. Because
you're ready for the farm.
I'm ready for the farm. Like, stop putting my sis in this hard, these hard positions. Khloe and Jordyn. Now we've got Kourtney and Sophia. Can Kylie live?
Apparently not.
You get what I'm saying? That's annoying to me.
Maybe that's why she only posts pictures with Stassi. Not to ruffle any feathers.
I couldn't be in that family because I would not be paying Kourtney no type of attention.
You'd be like, me and Sophie are going out, we're taking shots.
Girl, bye, I'm rich. I got billions. What?
Yeah.
Put in some work. How about this? Kourtney should put all of her energy into a better business venture.
Okay, I like that.
Because Poosh is trash.
All right, let's talk about...
I need to let it be known. Yes, it is.
Well, we did hear that...
Avocado toast?
No, I know. But I'm saying this week also, don't forget, she's blaming Mama Chris for that, apparently. Because, you know, Mama Chris is too worried about other products.
Because Kourtney can't write her own blog post?
I mean, apparently, the avocado toast isn't
Kourtney
selling.
Kardashian, can you read and write? Because if you can, then you can run your own blog. Yes or no? How about you answer that in the comments?
Y or N, circle one, and return the note. Let's talk about the other headlines we missed this week. I love this so much.
Okay.
So Jimmy Kimmel posted this video this week. He went to the farmer's market at the Grove.
Oh,
okay.
Familiar with her.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Love it. Shopping. Okay. And they were asking kids who they think the president should be.
Okay.
And they had the most hilarious answers. The answers range from Taylor Swift.
Okay.
Which, pro that situation.
Absolutely.
Right? Justin Bieber.
Trash.
Kanye West. Okay. And then the best, though, was this little boy. He answered Bruno Mars.
I need to know why.
And you need to listen to his response on why, because it's so cute. You guys, take a listen.
Because he would take care of people and make good music for people.
Okay, he's so cute. He's like, because he would take care of people and make good music. I was just, okay, you guys know I'm in no shape, form to have children, nor do I want them right now. But that little boy got my ovaries tingling.
I am not moved. I'm not moved even in the slightest.
But Bruno Mars does make good music, and he could make people happy.
He makes good music for y'all, to y'all. Girl, keep it.
Can you just at least acknowledge it was a cute kid moment?
Shout out to the kids.
Okay, thank you.
There y'all go. Shout out to the kids, because then you know I'm a kid hater in the comments. God forbid. Shout out to the kids. You know, I hope the Tooth Fairy drops a couple dollars, and I hope that you learn that better celebrities can be presidents.
Okay, let's talk about Cole Sprouse. We know we've been talking about him and Lily. They're still together. But he admitted to W Magazine, this is so weird, that his first kiss was in the back of a hearse.
We love a morbid emo legend.
Literally what this is. So apparently the girl he kissed, her dad owned a hearse. If you guys don't know what that is, it's the vehicle that like the coffins go in. Well, some people don't know, so I want to clarify.
No, for real. I'm explaining, girl.
So he said that he was like partially in like the part where the coffin goes, and this is like, he kind of attributes his dark sense of humor and like his dark personality to his first kiss moment, but I guess they pecked, and he said it was the quote, kiss of death.
Madison, now I know you don't watch Degrassi, right?
No. Just someone kiss in a
For
hurry.
those of y'all that watch Degrassi, what type of Claire and Eli mess is that? Eli drove the hearse into a wall because he loved Claire that much. A mess. Sorry. The Canada jumped out.
The Canada jumped out.
Let me grab her back.
But it's fine. It's fine.
That's weird.
I just thought it was very interesting, and now I feel like I understand Cole Sprouse so much more because he is kind of quiet, he is kind of dark, he's mysterious, and I'm like, oh, it's because your first kiss was literally where a dead body was.
That's an Edgar Allan no. Absolutely not.
Absolutely no. Where was your first kiss? Now I'm just curious.
That's a really good question.
He's had so many he doesn't remember.
I think it was actually in school.
Oh
in a bus parking lot in front of everyone.
Oh my God.
You know an attention whore, Madison. Everyone had to see.
Yes, I will.
I said, yes, I'm out of the closet. Yes, I'm 13, and here is my boyfriend.
Yes, I'm 13.
And who's gonna be mad?
Mine was in a basement after watching 50 First Dates with Adam Sandler and Drew Barrymore.
Girl, wow, is that it? Is that the end of the show?
That's it. I think Courtney's like, that's
Is that Adam Sandler?
Yeah, and you just now.
You was kissing after Adam?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Girl, that's a mood killer.
It was, well, no.
No shade to Adam, but like.
It was because, okay. Well, I don't want to get into it. I'll tell you later.
Save it for the morning tea.
I'll tell you the details. We'll save it for the morning tea. All right, you guys, I am ready to hear your thoughts on everything we discussed. What was your reaction to what went down between Selena Gomez and her bestie, Francia Raisa? Are you happy things seem to be fine now?
Honestly, yes. Also, what are your thoughts on Tristan Thompson's tweets and Kourtney Kardashian feeling insecure about Kylie and Sophia growing closer?
I can't tell how you feel. Can't tell. It's so weird.
I feel like Kourtney Kardashian's resting face all the time.
And finally, let us know your thoughts on the other stories we talked about. I know Kourtney didn't love the story, but I did, so I want to know what's left. You want to be president, you guys. Let it out down below. Don't forget to tune into the morning tea on Monday, 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Shop the Holly Scoop store, subscribe, and click that bell. We'll see you next time.
Bye guys.